If we already have installed Microsoft Excel on our computer, we can easily open the Excel by clicking the search box or clicking the start menu and then start typing Excel. And if Excel is installed properly or if it is already installed, then we can click here to open the Excel. Once Excel is open, it will bring us this type of window where we'll find the blank workspace and some other template is there. All these are the template like weekly timesheet or welcome to a like formula tutorial or pivot table tutorial. So these all are template. If we want to further explore couple of other templates, we can click this link more templates and Excel will bring us this type of template. There are many templates are there. You can either search here or you can choose any of them from here. If we click the home, it will go to the main window where we can choose on template. So this is the blank workbook template. In Excel file, it is like a workbook, and inside it we'll see multiple sheets are there. To create a blank or to create a blank Excel file, we just need to choose this thing, and in the bottom you'll find the list of the files, Excel files, which are already open on my computer or I started working before like that. And there are a couple of tabs are there like recent, favorites, shared with me. So if we click recent, it is showing all the recent items, and if we move our cursor any of them, we'll find two icons are there like star and there is share. If we click this star, which is marked as like pin item or favorite, then you will see it will be located inside this favorite. See here it is there. We can click recent, it will show all of the items of the Excel which are created by me or worked by me like that. Now let's create a blank Excel file. We just need to come here, we have to click here, and very shortly it will open like this. And here we are seeing these are the different tabs of an Excel file, and there are a couple of sheets are there, and there is an icon plus. If we click here, it will create a new sheet like that. And finally, if we want to save it, we can click file and then we can click save, and you can start saving the Excel file based on our own preference or location. And that's it. In this way we can easily open Microsoft Excel on our computer.